Today we are taking a look at the mini wireless Bluetooth 4.1 music receiver. This is the box. And let's open it up. So here is the receiver. It's fairly compact. Build quality is pretty nice. Oh, it's got a semi-sticky back to it, so it should not slip. And then pull this out, and we have the aux cable. We have charge cable. We have an actual sticky foam piece. We have an adapter if you want to stick it directly to the front. And the owner's manual. Today I'm filming it in one of my cars because this is designed to be used in a car. So let's plug it in, see how it works. So this car has a horrible stereo. I don't get any good reception, and it doesn't have any of the features that my other stereos have. So installing it, simple as this, and then we turn stereo on.
Tell everyone that you want to take this to Washington, and I said no.
Switch. To aux in, and then we'll power it up and play some music.
This is what this thing sounds like. That's a normal amount. Got it plugged in. Going back to input here. I'll listen to what happens when I just plug this thing in.
La ilusión, porque tienes un nuevo dueño y aquí estoy yo, con la misma expresión. Perdón si soy imprudente y delante de la gente te reclamo de repente, como es que supuestamente se venció el amor.
See, it's great, and the sound is good too. I love it.
That is annoying while driving down the highway late at night.
We're under attack, catch a bad moment, friend. It's us against the world. My girl.
What you know about rolling down in the deep when your brain goes numb?
So yeah, the Bluetooth in and it's working. Yep, I like it. This is good. Good.